Good evening. Welcome to the annual Title I meeting at Larson Elementary. Like the No Child Left Behind Act, Every Student Succeed Act is a reauthorization of the 1965 Elementary and Secondary Education Act, which requires every Title I school to hold an annual meeting for parents. The purpose of today's presentation is to inform you of the school's participation in Title I, explain the legal requirements of Title I, and explain parents' rights to be involved. During today's presentation, we will discuss Title I funds and programs, Title I eligibility, parent rights under Title I, parent involvement policy, and the Homeschool Compact. The goal of this presentation is to ensure that parents understand the Title I program on our campus. Title I is a federal program that provides supplemental funding to schools with high numbers or high percentages of children from low-income families to ensure that all children meet challenging state academic standards. Our school qualifies for Title I funds this year because our free and reduced lunch rate is 78%. This means that 78% of our students qualify for free and reduced lunch. In Arlington ISD, there are 54 schools that receive Title I funding based on the percentage of students who receive free and reduced lunch. Over 30,000 students will benefit from Title I funds in AISD this year. Our campus is a school-wide Title I program. This means that all students on our campus are eligible to receive Title I funded services and programs, even if they don't qualify for free and reduced lunch. Our goal is for all students on our campus to be proficient and to provide opportunities for all parents to be involved. Comprehensive needs assessment takes into account information on the academic achievement of children in relation to the challenging state academic standards, particularly the needs of those who are failing or at risk of failing to meet the challenging state standards. Schools shall develop a comprehensive plan with the involvement of members of the community to be served and individuals who carry out such plans, including school personnel. The plan shall be provided in a language that parents can understand and shall include a description of the strategies that the school will be implementing to address school needs, including a description of how strategies will be provided and opportunities for all children to meet the challenging state standards. Each year, campuses shall annually evaluate the school-wide plan, and its implementation shall be regularly monitored, as necessary based on student needs to ensure that all students are provided opportunities to meet the state standards. Title I funds are used to supplement, which means to provide things above and beyond everything all AISD schools receive from the district. Title I funds cannot replace funds and programs the district already provides to all schools. Title I funds are used to identify students experiencing academic difficulties and providing timely assistance to help students meet content standards. Title I funds are also used to conduct parent engagement meetings, recruit and retain highly qualified teachers, and purchase supplemental staff, programs, or resources. In Title I schools, you will see annual Title I meetings, school parent compacts, two-way communication between teachers and families, a variety of family engagement workshops, end-of-year surveys, parent conferences, and information in languages families can understand. Title I funds are allocated for tutoring, academic workshops, parent engagement events, reading materials, resources for students, extra duties as needed for events, and refreshments for family involvement events. All Title I campuses hold meetings for parents to provide information on academics and state assessments. These academic meetings will also discuss strategies to help support your child's learning at home. Some of the meetings that we will hold this year include academic nights and family engagement events. Every Student Succeed Act means that parent engagement is the participation of parents in regular two-way and meaningful communication involving student academic learning and other school activities. Each school district that receives Title I funds shall develop jointly with parents of participating children a written parent and family engagement policy. In addition, the policy shall be incorporated into the district's plan. This district parent and family engagement policy must describe how the district will engage parents in the school-wide improvement efforts, provide coordination and technical assistance to schools for parent engagement, and build parent and student capacity. This policy must also be evaluated annually and involve parents in Title I school activities. The school parent and family engagement policy is jointly developed with parents of participating children, and a written parent and family engagement policy shall meet certain requirements, including being developed jointly, distributing to parents in a language that's understandable, describing how a school will meet parent involvement requirements, and must be updated periodically. The School Parent Compact is a written agreement between parents and teachers. It also outlines what families and schools can do to help children reach high academic standards and must be developed jointly with parents and teachers. All Title I parents must be given the opportunity to contribute to the development of the campus family engagement policy and school parent compact. Parent input is vital to developing this policy and a compact that is reflective of the school and community being served. Opportunities on our campus include serving on the family engagement team, volunteering, serving on the site-based decision-making team, attending Title I events such as academic nights and parent workshops, participating in toddler time, and participating in the Engaged for Excellence program for dads. Arlington ISD also has many opportunities for parents to be involved, including the Family Expo Career and Job Fair, district committees such as Student Health Advisory Committee, Textbooks Committee, District Instructional Decision-Making Team, Capital Needs Steering Committee, and Bond Oversight Committee. If you want to get involved on any of these district committees, please reach out to our campus family engagement liaison. For parents of children in Title I schools, family literacy programs are available and held daily at Knox Elementary. A 1-year commitment is required, and family involvement activities and classes are held in addition to English as a second language classes. For more information on the Family Literacy Program, please contact 682-867-7267. If you have any questions about the Title I program or how you can get engaged at our school, please contact your Family Engagement Liaison, Brittany Qualls, at 682-867-0000. Thank you for your time.